Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Yuan, my name is Aditya Alwehaki with student ID 2024 502 from Class G Informatics Study Program. Today, I will present an international journal review entitled Hazard Analysis and Occupational Safety Control in the Manufacturing Industry. This review aims to analyze the types of workplace hazard in manufacturing industry, their impact on works, and the methods used to prevent and control these hazards based on scientific research. Okay, next slide two. Okay, the manufacturing industry is considered one of the sector with a relative high level of exceptional risk. This is because manufacturing process involve activities such as operating industrial machinery, handling heavy material, and performing repetitive tasks. These activities may expose workers to various observational hazards, which are potential sources of harm that may affect the safety and health of workers. If these hazards are not properly managed, they may lead to workplace accident or obstructional disease. Okay, next. The objective of this journal review are first to identify the types of hazard that exist in the manufacturing industry. Second, to analyze the source of this hazard that may lead to workplace accident. Third, uh, to examine to examine the impact of hazard on workers and organization. And finally, to discuss hazard prevention and control strategies that can improve occupational safety in industrial environment. Next, slide 4. Okay, this review is based on two international journal articles. Okay, the first article is titled Safety 4.0 Harnessing Computer Vision or Advanced Industrial Protection. Okay, published in Manufacturing Letters 2024. Okay, the studies discuss how modern technology, especially computer vision system, can be used to monitor works, activities, and detect unsafe conditions in real time. The second article is titled War-related musculoskeletal disorder, a systematic review and meta-analysis, published in the journal Clinical Medicine in 2024. Again, this research focused on occupational healthy issues, particularly musculoskeletal disorder, which are common among industry workers. Okay, slide 5. Okay, based on analysis of the studies, there are the main category of hazard commonly found in manufacturing workplace. Okay, these include mechanical hazard, ergonomic hazard, and physical hazard. This hazard occur because workers interact indirectly with machines, environmental conditions, and physically demanding tasks during the production process. Okay, first mechanical hazard. Mechanical hazard are dangers that arise from machinery and mechanical equipment used in industrial operation. Uh, Example include machinery, uh, industrial robots, and conveyor system. Machinery is widely used in manufacturing process to cut, shape, or assembly material. However, moving parts such as rotating split or gear can cause serious injuries if workers come into direct contact with them. Industrial robot uh, are designed to perform automated tasks such as welding or assembly. Although they improve efficiency, they can pose safety risks if workers enter the robots operating air without proper safety system. Okay, container systems are used to transport material within the production line where the increased efficiency workers might face risks, such as getting caught in the conveyor belt or sleeping near the system. Okay, next physical hazard. Physical hazard are risks that originate from environmental conditions in the workplace. Example include is noise, vibration, and heat temperature. Okay, noise is usually generated by industrial machines that operate at high sound level. Prolonged exposure to excessive noise can lead to hearing loss and increased stress among workers. Vibration typically comes from heavy equipment or machinery. Continued exposure to vibration may cause nerve damage, muscle fatigue, and circulatory problem. High temperature conditions are also common in manufacturing environment that involve heating or metal processing. Excessive heat exposure may result in heat stress, dehydration, and reduced work performance. Okay, next, ergonomic hazard. Ergonomic hazard occur when the design of the work environment does not match the physical capability of workers. Example include repetitive tasks, poor posture, and heavy lifting. Okay. Repetitive tasks involve performing the same movement repeatedly over long periods of time. This can cause muscular fatigue and long-term injuries. Poor posture refer to working positioning position that are not ergonomically correct, such as bending forward for extended periods. This may result in back pain or neck strain. Okay, heavy lifting involves manually lifting or carrying heavy loads without proper techniques or equipment. This activity may lead to serious spinal injuries. Okay, next slide 6. Okay, one of the most common occupational health problem in industrial workplace is musculoskeletal disorder or MSD. MSD refer to injuries of disorder affecting muscles, joints, tendons, and spinal discs. These conditions are usually caused by repetitive movement, heavy lifting, or poor working posture. The body parts most frequently affected include the neck, shoulder, back, and breasts. Okay, next. Source of hazard slide 7. Okay, the main source of hazard identified in the review studies include okay, first repetitive movement, manual handling of heavy loads, non-ergonomic working posture, prolonged, mm, prolonged prolonged use of machinery, and lack of proper safety training. Okay. Uh, this factor, this factor significant, uh, significantly increase the risk of workplace accident and occupational healthy problem. Okay, next, impact of hazard set age. Nah, workplace hazard may have significant impact on both workers and organization. For workers, hazard may cause muscle pain, back injuries, and limit physical mobility. For company, this hazard may result in uh, apa namanya, in decreased productivity, higher absenteeism, higher absenteeism rates, and increased healthcare and compensation costs. Therefore, managed workplace hazard is essential for both employee safety and organization efficiency. Okay, next. To minimize workplace risks, other control strategies are implemented using this hierarchy of hazard control. This hierarchy includes first elimination, uh, which involves first removing the hazard completely. Second, engineering control, which modifies equipment or workplace designed to reduce risks. Third, administrative control, uh, which includes safety procedure, training, and work schedule. Okay. Finally, personal protective equipment (PPE), PPE, or such as helmet, glove, or hearing protection. Okay. In addition, modern technologies such as Safety 4.0 and computer vision system can help monitor workers and detect unsafe condition automatically. Okay, next, regulation. Okay, mm, okay. In occupational safety management, several regulations help protect workers at the international level. Uh, ILO Convention number 155 provide guidelines for occupational safety and health standards. In Indonesia, workplace safety is regulated by Law Number 1 of 1090 70 concerning occupational safety, which requires employer to provide a safe working environment for workers. Uh, These are regulation. This conclusion, in conclusion, manufacturing industry contains various types of hazard, including mechanical, physical, and ergonomic hazard. One of the one of the most common occupational health problem among workers is musculoskeletal disorder, which are mainly caused by repetitive tasks and improper working posture. By implementing effective hazard control strategies and utilizing modern safety technology, workplace accident and occupational health risks can be significantly reduced. Okay, this reference. Okay, thank you very much your attention, Miss Yuhan. That class my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.